Transform your home into a romantic haven this Valentine's Day 2025 with these stunning room decor ideas. Replanning a cozy evening or a grand celebration. Section 1. The Ambience. Start by setting the mood. Use warm fairy lights or soft candles to create a romantic glow. Drape sheer fabrics or delicate curtains over windows for an intimate feel. Choose warm tones like reds, pinks, or blush to highlight the Valentine's theme. Section 2. Creative wall decor. Decorate your walls with heart-shaped garlands, framed love quotes, or a photo collage of your favorite memories. A simple DIY heart wall art using paper or fabric can also add a personal touch. Section 3. Furniture and cushions. Accessorize your furniture with soft, cozy throws and themed cushions. Opt for patterns like hearts, roses, or elegant lace to tie everything together. For a bold touch, add a red velvet chair or a pink ottoman. Section 4. The perfect table setup. If you're planning a romantic dinner, dress your table with a soft tablecloth, rose petals, and elegant dinnerware. Add personalized touches like handwritten notes or name tags for an extra special vibe. Section 5. Finishing touches. Complete the look with a centerpiece. Think fresh roses in a vase, a collection of candles, or even a small gift display. Don't forget a light, romantic fragrance to fill the room. Valentine's Day 2025 is all about creating moments of love and connection. With these decor ideas, you'll have a space that's not only beautiful but also filled with heartfelt charm. Love these ideas? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Home Decor USA for more inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day 2025!